Like, subscribe, and follow my channel. Dear friends, here in that tutorial, I am going to bring a lot of changes in our photo. As we could see that now I would go on that hair color. There are different kinds of colors and with different intensity, like I have to keep its intensity and saturation at 50, around about 50. Now I have to choose that color, so that black color is looking so awesome. And so dear guys, we could try all these colors on it, and we could see that how our picture is looking so beautiful and gorgeous, like that one to that one. I have to choose that one color.